Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohit, and I'm your mathematics teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi.
So, our today's topic is lowest common multiple. What is lowest common multiple? Or shortly we can say it LCM. Dear students, as you already studied this topic in class 5th, and before beginning the chapter I have already mentioned about the LCM just after the HCF. So now let's today again revise it. So what are the common multiples? First of all, we will talk about the common multiples. As you can see here, like 4 and 6. What are the common multiples of 4 and 6? I will write it over here. You will see I will write it over here like 12, 24, 36 and so on. So these are the common multiples of 6 and 4. Why? Because these comes in the table of 6 and 4 both. These numbers comes in the table of 6 and 4 both, or they are divisible also. So which is the lowest? You will see the lowest will be 12. The lowest is 12. We have written the common multiples, then we find out the lowest one. So we say that the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So this is the LCM. So this method is also known as listing the multiples. The lowest common multiples of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. Now, on the basis of the topic, today we will solve some examples also so that we can understood better way. For example number 8, you will see over here. They are saying find the LCM of 12 and 8. So dear students, like if I write 12 and 18. Now, how will I find the LCM by common division method? The first thing is we have to divide the both number with the lowest prime number first. So you know that these two numbers are even number which will be divisible by the 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Now again 2 3 are 6, but now this 9 is not divisible by 2 because it is odd number. So we will write it as it is and divide only 6. But now you will see that these two numbers are now odd numbers and they comes in the table of 3 because they are the multiple of 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So we will proceed with the table of 3. Now 1 is come. 1 has come, but now this 3 remaining. So we will divide it now by like 3 1s are 3. So this is how we will find the prime factors. Now what we have to do? We just have to multiply these factors. We just have to multiply these factors, like 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So you will see that 36 is their LCM. Why? Because it comes in the table of 12 and 18 both. 12 3s are 36 and 18 2s are 36. So this is the LCM, lowest common multiple. So this is how we can do it. Let me come to the next example. You will see over here example number 11. Find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So what we have to do now, they have done by the common division method. Again you know that first we have to divide by the lowest prime number. So we have divide by 2 2 2 for 2 times 2, 1 times 3 and 2 times 5. Now this is the common division method, so we know we don't have to do anything else. We just multiply the factors and then we will got the LCM. Now some problems on HCF and LCM. We came across a number of situations in which we make use of concepts of HCF and LCM. We explain these situations through a few examples. Now let's come to the example number 14, like find the least number which when divided by these leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Now they are saying least over here. Least means lowest, means lowest common multiple. We have to find out the lowest common multiples. We have to find out the LCM because they are saying least number and least means lowest. So what we will do, first we have to find the LCM of these numbers. So we have find the LCM. But now, dear students, you will notice what is the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is the lowest common multiple which can be divided by the given number. So if these numbers will divide this 144 numbers like 12, 16, 24 and 36, these are the given number which can divide completely 144 without leaving any remainder. So the 7 remainder will not come. So what we have to do, that when we divide this 144 by these numbers, 7 should remain. We have to increase the number by 7. So what we will do, we will just add the remainder. We will just add the remainder in the LCM, so we will get the answer 151. Now when you will divide 151 by these numbers, by the given numbers, like in the question you will see over here 12, 16, 24 and 36, when you will divide by those numbers, you will see that the remainder is now 7. So 151 is our required answer. So dear students, I hope that you like the video. Stay safe and all the best.